welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing my Ipsy bag for March in this super crazy month. Everything is shutting down and going insane. You guys should comment below and let me know what you're doing in your self-quarantine time frames, because I'm just trying to do YouTube videos and enjoy life and not freak out too much, because I currently don't. I have a job, but it's closed. So until the end of April as of right now. So we'll see how that goes. But anyways, we're gonna get into this bag and see what we've got. I see a brush. And this bag is like already open. It's a pretty full like little bag. Look how cute that is. But the first thing in here is a pretty Lexi brush. I always get pink ones. So this is a new like cute color that I've never gotten before. I'm super stoked to use this, and it's super soft. I love all their brushes. They all work so nice and well. Alright, let's see what's in here, since it's like overflowing. Alright, the first thing in here is from Wander Beauty. I don't know if I can get this thing open. And this is an eyeshadow color in the color Blossom. Well, that's the name of it, Blossom. Apparently I forgot how to talk in the almost week of self-quarantining I've done. Open. Oh yeah, guys, I made a TikTok. Well, I've had a TikTok, I just never put anything on it. So I will link that in the description below if you guys want to see it. It's a lot of different stuff, so like singing and makeup and working out, all that good stuff. Holy crepes. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. That is beautiful. I definitely cannot wait to use that. I'll have to do like a cute tutorial with it. That is like gorgeous. Let's swatch it. This is crease proof, fade proof, and intense payoff. So that is what it looks like on my hand. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, there's a card in here that says celebrate you. And it says everything that's in here, but we're not looking. Keep it a surprise. Whoa. So this is from Ofra. It's like a full-size Ofra product. It's a bronzer. Well, bronzer Americano is the color, and that is what that looks like. That might be a little dark for me. I'll have to try it out and see what happens, but full size of that. Next is this Blackhead Bubble Pore Pack. I will definitely do a video on this. I'm guessing it's a mask, potentially. That's what that looks like. Oh, yeah. And it's like nice and thick. So I will have to film. I need to really actually like do more mask videos. Now that I have all the time in the world, I'm sure there's gonna be a lot more content finally on this channel. Because what else am I supposed to do with my life? Well, this channel and the other channel, they're both gonna get a bunch of stuff. Okay, and then this is from Polar, Nut Polar. It is a relaxing cream for nighttime. So I'll have to check that baby out. And then this is from Tarte, and it's the Quench Hydrating Primer Base. Sweet. Oh, that's what I forgot to put on today. It's a primer, of course. I was so gung-ho to get my makeup on today. Alright, I'll have to definitely try this and see if it works well. Obviously this too. I'll have to film a video on this little mask dude, and then I'll have to do something with these to like test them out. And then we got this beautiful brush. Always my favorite thing. I don't know what it is about brushes. They're my favorite thing to get no matter what. They're just like, you just can't have too many. That's like a real thing. I swear that's like the truest thing in makeup. You can never have too many brushes because nobody wants to clean them. Yeah, That's everything I got in my March Ipsy bag this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below, please. Let me know what you guys are up to. If you guys are staying busy, if you're bored out of your mind, what is going on with you, if you're able to work still, if you're not able to work still, what field you were in, whatever you want to tell me. That would be cool. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!